piece of this compound.
Charlie!
Me, sister, you know I'm still talking out the bullshit.
Since I've known you.
Okay.
So this one shirt. Now wait till they wear.
Hey!
Smell like kukwarere.
Aroma smell from Caribbean, white and spiritual.
No, that is not aroma smell. It is poverty smell. So you're doing Rasta. I begged you for blender last week. You say no, Rasta no share. Still same you. Begged Mama Chinyere. Last week for soup. And she gave you.
I know they give him again. This one where I give up soup that time, meantime he say it's too Nigerian for his American stomach.
Me, sister, me no disrespect. Soup you gave me, not the wrong my stomach. I'm too legit.
God have
for
mercy upon us.
local dish.
You're too legit for local dish.
No problem.
See the way they like say you know they beg. Not be so you take come beg me, make you fit charge your phone for my house. I allow you.